Greetings, everyone. Today, we will introduce you with the battery charging board that supports multiple battery slots, the 5S26650 Lithium Battery Charging, Balance and Protection Board, BCPB4. It provides multiple discharge ports and supports MPPT charging. Moreover, with 5 PCS 26650 batteries, it means larger battery capacity and longer usage time, making it perfect for audio DIY, home applications, and outdoor use. Now, let's get started. With a compact PCB layout and high-quality components, it ensures high reliability and provides excellent quality assurance for users. Equipped with 5 battery holders, it can directly accommodate 5 PCS 26650 lithium batteries, each with a battery capacity of 5000 mAh. One of the highlights of BCPB4 is its wide range of input voltage, supporting 5-24 volts. Any adapter with an output of 5-24 volts and a current of 2 amperes or above can be used to charge the BCPB4. In addition to charging via a charger, the BCPB4 also supports MPPT charging. Connect it to a solar panel, and you have a continuous outdoor DC power supply. As we just mentioned, BCPB4 provides 5 discharge ports with consistent functionality, ranging from 14 volts to 21 volts. It can simultaneously power multiple devices, with a maximum discharge current of up to 10 amperes. Considering common voltage requirements and ease of operation, BCPB4 also provides a stable 12 volts voltage output interface, along with a control switch. Furthermore, BCPB4 can be connected to an extension board, which offers 2 DC 5 volts output interfaces that can be used as power sources to charge your phone, essentially turning it into a power bank. In other words, BCPB4 can power up to 8 devices simultaneously. Surprising, isn't it? BCPB4 has a maximum output power of 200 watts. As long as the total power of the devices you're using falls within this range, it can handle it. Routers, portable speakers, smart home assistants, smartphones, and more can be powered by it. Please note that the ability to output 200 watts depends on the discharge rate of your battery. BCPB4 supports simultaneous charging and discharging. This means you can power your devices with BCPB4 while simultaneously charging it using an external power source. The board also features a battery level display button. Press it, and you can see the remaining battery level, providing intuitive and convenient information. When using a battery board inside a chassis for hidden installation, you might wonder how to route the interfaces outside. But no worries, we provide optional cable kits that include cables compatible with the interfaces of BCPB4. No need to look for cables everywhere. For example, the battery level display. BCPB4 has an external port for connecting indicators. Simply connect it to the port, press the button, and you can see the battery level. It's thoughtful, right? BCPB4 is equipped with a battery management system. The battery management circuit continuously monitors the voltage, current, and temperature of the entire battery board, as well as the voltage, charging and discharging currents, and ambient temperature of each individual battery. It provides protection against overcharging, overdischarging, output overcurrent, short circuits, charging overcurrent, and overtemperature conditions. Thanks to the configured BMS circuit, BCPB series battery boards can achieve battery capacity self-balancing, eliminating voltage differences between battery groups, ensuring safety and long service life. Let's see the BCPB4's charging and discharging characteristics. If you found this video helpful, please kindly consider liking, sharing, or leaving a comment. Thank you for your support and valuable feedback.